today I'm gonna cook stuffed bell peppers. It is, I have a hamburger right here and a piece of egg, and here are my ingredients. I have mushrooms, red onions, garlic, chopped jalapenos, and tomatoes. And then I have half a cup of breadcrumbs. Okay, so I started mixing them all up without turning on my video. So I've got my ingredients here: my hamburger, my mushrooms, my tomatoes, my garlic, and my onions, and then a piece of egg, and then a half a cup of breadcrumbs. So I just mix them all up here. Make sure that it's mixed thoroughly so that the meat is so lean. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here, about a couple tablespoons, and then just mix them all up again. This is my version, by the way. It's not something that I copied from the internet or anything like that. I do a lot of cooking with my own ingredients. I don't really go online and look for recipe. I really don't do that stuff. I've been cooking for 50 years with my husband and I, so I don't need any recipe. Just basically make my own. He happens to love it. So anyway, so now this is all mixed up now. So I'm gonna get my peppers. So I have peppers right here that's already been prepared. I only have 4 of them. If I need more, I will get some. Okay, some people would take out the top, right? And then would chop it right here and even it out. I didn't. I just took out the stem, took out the seeds, and just leave it the way it is. And then I'm gonna start stuffing them. I may need some more pepper. Stuff it all the way to the top. And there's my next one here. Second pepper, and here's my third pepper. I may need a couple more peppers. So I have mushroom in here, red onions, and chopped tomatoes, chopped jalapenos. I took the seeds out from the jalapeno so it's not so hot. Seasoning salt, secret. It's really not secret, you saw it. But anyway, so just stuff it on there. I think I'm gonna need one more bell pepper, and then I will put mozzarella cheese on top when it starts getting ready, when it's done baking. So I'm gonna bake this in 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm just gonna keep an eye on them until it's done. Normally about 25 to 30 minutes that would be done. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so I grab another red pepper. A pound of lean hamburgers, what I use. It is ready to be baked to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll probably put tin foil underneath there and tin foil on top so it doesn't burn. When it's done, then I will take off the tin foil, and then I will put mozzarella on top. So I put tin foil on the bottom of the baking pan. It doesn't create any smoke for my fire alarm to go off. So there it is. It's in the oven. Set the timer. I'm gonna set it to 25 minutes. This is our salad. I have mushrooms in there, lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, and carrots, bell peppers. Put this chopped almond, and then mix them up. So here's our favorite salad dressing. That should be enough. And then mix them up. This is really cool right here. I got this from I think I got it from the Tupperware long time ago. Probably about 50 something years old. We had it forever. It's really cool when you put it in your bowl and you put it do like this. It's really cool. Just little thing like this makes the jobs easier in the kitchen. So I'm gonna put a little bit of mozzarella cheese. There's the bell pepper. So what I'll do is I'll put some mozzarella on top. This one right here is sort of got smashed, but no worries, it's still good. Right here it got smashed. So I'm just gonna put mozzarella cheese on top. There you go. I just burned my freaking finger in there. Okay. So I'm gonna put it back in there for about another 5 to 7 minutes. And I'm just gonna leave it on cover. And I raised the temperature into 400. And then I've got this Joe's that we bought yesterday from the grocery store. My husband bought a whole bunch of them. So now we're gonna eat it with that. 7 minutes until dinner. Grabbing the plates and ready to go. Bowl for salad. Forgot, cut up olives. Salad is good, so we love salad. So there's not much left. I'm sure we're gonna eat all of that. Just waiting for the bell pepper. As soon as the cheese melts, then it's ready to eat. Peppers, here it is.
They look delicious.
I tasted it earlier. Oh my gosh, it's so good. There it is. Pretty yummy. It's mozzarella cheese on top. That's just really yummy. You want one or two?
Just one to start with.
Just one to start with. Okay, so I will get this one here. Oh man, look at that.
I'm starting to do it.
Okay, so then we have our potatoes. So here is our potatoes. That is Joe's potatoes that my husband ordered yesterday and it's left over. So we will eat that with us. I warmed it up. I put it in the oven when I was baking the bell peppers. There it is. And all we just need is just ketchup with that. I'm gonna slap you with this here pretty soon.
Just dump in.
Okay, so here's our food.
That looks so delicious.
That's a lot of food, guys. Basically, I don't think I will be able to eat all of that. But I will do my best. So here it is right here. See that? That looks so yummy. And hold on, I've got the red one. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Our salad. We have our salad. Our Joe's that we ordered yesterday and it's leftover. I warmed it up when I was baking the pepper. See? That looks so darn yummy.
Spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames.
Okay, so I have my steak knife and get my salad out of here, and then I will cut my pepper. Wow, it's pretty juicy. Wow, look at that. There it is. Look at that. That looks so yummy. My stuffed pepper. My husband said that it's really, really, really good. So I know I tasted it earlier. It was amazing. It was so tasty when I tasted the meat. It was so good. It's like, so I don't know if it is a beginner's slack, but it's really, really good. So as you can see, the ingredients right there. And my husband said it's not too hot because of the jalapeno. No, you don't have to use jalapeno in there. I did not include the seeds. I know the seeds are hot, and that's why I did not include it. So there you go. Now I'm gonna get my ketchup for my Joe's. That's a lot of food, basically. But
sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize.